Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my model of the coronavirus and how it looks like after the render. Just 1 second and you'll see, oh, here it is. The example of the video with this model you can see by using the link below or maybe afterwards in this video. So now let's watch the animation which is ready.
Hi, sweetie. I'm gonna bite you. Yeah.
There is an automatical synchronization of the mouth, but all the other controllers you have to move manually. I've already told about the synchronization of the mouse in my previous videos. It is my own script which was created with my friend who is the programmer. And finally, I'll show you what our model can do. This controller is the joining of the feet to the floor. And now, while moving, our feet just getting out of the surface. Let's move our controller and we can see that the feet are gluing to the floor. Oh, let's go further. So let's take out this window and we can see that our model just can cramp its hand. And let's go further, so that is the controller IK. But now let's look at his hair moving. But if we press it out, his hair is going to be stable. It makes the animation faster, but you can switch it on during the render. The enable token just switches off the synchronization of the lips. So it makes possible to make the animation of the mouse manually. So we can have such a funny controller, and you can move his lips this way and that way and maybe a little bit more. And it's so easy to control his emotions, and it seems that he's shouting. Let's reset all the positions. Open his mouth a little bit and we'll try to make him a little bit smiling. Let's also open the bottom part. As you can see, it's also moving and can be animated. Let's take his out of his face and try to take out his tongue. And let's open the upper jaws, and as you can see, we have such a funny and a little bit foolish monster. Also, we have a controller to control our emotions of the eyes. And now he is sad or even angry. There are 4 positions of the controller, and each position means different things. In the middle one, there is a neutral position of the eyes. Also, there is a controller which lets you to blink. So we have finished with the emotions of the character. And also there is a controller which is on duty of the speech of our character. So let's turn on the automatical synchronization. The amplifier is in charge of the power of the opening of the mouth.
Hi, sweetie. I'm gonna bite you. Yeah. Hi, sweetie. I'm gonna bite you.
There are also 2 parameters. It is the amplitude and the vibration of the vowels. So during the vowels, we don't need our mouth opened all the time. So we add some kind of the vibration to our mouth. So let's make our definitions high to make our vibration more visible.
You. Yeah.
So you could see how it works, and I'll take all the definitions to the optimal positions. There are also two parameters. They are on duty of the speed of opening the mouth during the constants and the vowels. If the definition is higher, our movement would be smooth, and if it's lower, it would be, of course, straight.
Hi, sweetie. I'm gonna bite
Look,
you.
the definition is 1, and it's opening his mouth straightly. So I put the definitions on the positions that I like our monster
I'm
opening
gonna
his
bite
mouth.
you. Yeah.
So that is it. You can watch the video by using the link which is just above, or using the video that you can see now.